The Girls.
Hi, I'm Bethany.
I'm Abigail.
I'm Rose.
And we're
The Girls.
Welcome to our channel. Hopefully you've seen us before, but if you haven't, this is our channel where we go on Pinterest and we find pins that we want to make. And we do it for you.
And we're going to make slime today.
Yes, today we're going to make slime, but not any kind of slime.
Unicorn
slime, because everything is better with unicorns. So, the pin that I found is from the website, thebestideasforkids.com, and I will link that down below in the description box. So, let's start. You girls ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to do 3 different colors. You could do any colors you wanted, but we're going to follow what the website said. So we have blue, yellow,
And pink.
So, it says to get the Elmer's glitter glue. So we're going to take that and we're going to pour it into our bowl.
All of it or no?
All of it.
Can I do it right now?
Yeah.
Wow, super cool. This is hard too, though.
Squeeze it out.
I like that sound. Big flock sound. And don't eat it, do not. Ready?
Okay, and next we're going to do half a tablespoon of baking soda for each of them. So the half a tablespoon.
Of baking soda. Do mine first. Baking soda inside. Do me first, do me. Yeah.
You mix that up.
Now it turned to slime. Look, it's slime now.
There you go.
I didn't turn to slime. What's this?
Turn to
Wow,
some more
you're
ingredients.
right. Now it's like cool.
Okay.
How's this slime now? It's like all gooey. Can you touch it now?
I would wait till we have all the ingredients. Wow, look at that.
It's very like
It thickened it up a lot, right?
See, look. It's all sticky.
Okay. Next is you're going to take 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. But it's very important that the brand that you get has boric acid in the ingredients.
Boric acid. But half you don't have it.
Well, you have to go find it at the store. So this is what interacts with the glue to make the slime. So we're going to get 1.5
Teaspoon.
tablespoons.
Oh, tablespoon.
So we need to do 1 of each here. You ready, Rose?
What's that called?
Contact solution. You know that stuff that Mommy puts on her eyes to see?
That's what it's doing.
That's what it is. It helps to keep the contacts wet. Okay.
Do you need to wait for it to like dry or something?
No, just mix it in.
Wow, now it's a big giant blob here. Oh, did you run out?
No,
Do you still have more after this?
there's plenty. And the yellow.
Did you think I put too much in? Wow, it's really sticky now. Yeah.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your glitter that you have there and you're going to pour that in.
All of it?
Not all of it, just pour a little bit at a time until it gets to be as sparkly as you want it.
Oops.
What?
I spilled it.
That's okay.
I have too much inside of here.
Too much what?
Water stuff. I can't mix it up.
It's okay, I'll mix.
Really slimy.
Oh yeah.
Can
Did you put your glitter in?
I can't get it.
Probably put more in
I
there.
can't do it.
You know what you could do? Use your hands.
Oh my gosh. This is cool.
Wow.
The only thing, it stays on your hands.
We gotta knead it in. Take the, wow. This feels just like when I was a kid, there was something called Nickelodeon Gak.
Yeah?
Yes.
There's something now called Nickelodeon slime. Oh man, super sticky. Does it need to sit something? Or
Just keep mixing that liquid into it.
Oh,
Wow, look at this.
take this spoon out of there.
Is it good, Rosie?
This is horrible.
Looks good.
Looks like
What more?
soap. That's really icky.
Look at this. You could pull it apart. Okay, so what you're going to make the unicorn slime, you're going to make a long snake-like band, okay?
Okay, I made it sparkly as
Okay,
I
I'll make a little snake here.
How do you make it unicorn slime?
I'll show you.
So make it into a big snake.
Yeah, make it like a snake and put it right here.
Can I roll it on the table? There's my snake. This is my snake.
Okay. Now I'm
It's
going
like-
to take this snake with my here. Hold on, we want to make it the same size.
Here you go.
Nope, let's make it the same size. So, wow!
It's very big.
Okay. So then we're gonna kind of braid them together.
Braid it.
Yeah. So we're gonna, or kind of swirl them together. So we're gonna swirl.
Stop, Rosie. Stop, Rosie. Don't they would mix it into each other?
I don't think so.
Well, if it does, that means it'll ruin the slime.
Okay. So we now have
Unicorn
unicorn slime.
Can I play with it?
Yes. Here, we'll break it in half.
Do we need like a knife or something?
And you get some, and you get some.
Can I mix it up?
Yeah. Not too much.
Why?
That's so cool.
It's super cool.
Let's see.
How if you mix it up too much?
Look at that. How pretty. Well, did you girls have fun?
Yeah.
Well, I think that was a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And please share our videos on your social media to help us out. And goodbye until next time.
Bye.
Bye.